So this is the plug. So this is clutch. This one air. There's some more soapy water in it, and as you can see, no more bubble. Bubble gum. So the sign has been declared. So now we moved on to the Lexus, which was charging. You just simply find the key. And start it up. And as you can tell, the electric is done. If you turn up the charger so you don't kill the alternator, always unplug the top and then press the wire. There you go. So we got 2 car down, 2 to go. 2 car down, 2 to go. Alright then. Until next project. So tire's done. Compressor gonna recharge up. The 40 I will deal with in a warmer day. But the tire's done, the siren. The Lexus is started. Now putting the tire back on the side.